Yeah. We got two. This is real sad. Right about that. Yeah. That's it. That's where. Oh my god.
Skimming him across, dude.
Is he alright? Oh. Oh no.
Boom. Watch this. That's a log.
Get it.
A big bone flip. Oh shoot. Oh baby.
I'm just gonna
Ow.
catch your PV.
You're so funny. Look at that. Look at that, guys. That's a 2.5 pounder.
I was thinking, oh,
Eddie's dead.
and we're censoring that out.
Edit that out in post. Yeah. Shoot. Reel it in. Yeah. Same spot. I love it.
That'll move the chains. Come on, man. It's really slow today. I don't know. Damn, something had it. Again. I caught two. This one's like a 1.5. Oh man, this one is skinny. Skinny. He's got a decent mouth. And Ethan snagged. We're doubled up. Oh, little feisty fella. Yeah. Big old head though. It's like a 1.5. He took that. You're taking the boat with you.
Yeah.
Good one?
Decent. I don't know how big that is. The drag's not very tight.
Oh, you scared me with that drag.
Might be caught in the weeds. I might have lost it.
I'll drive to it.
Got him?
Nope, he's going under the boat.
Not bad.
Yeah, he's not bad. Dude.
That's like a 4? 3.5?
Oh. Nice. Uh-oh. Get that? Yeah. Cool. You throw that right in that where it goes into that little swamp. North Idaho for you. Ugh.